Did you know that cats have a natural fear of loud noises? It's true! Despite their predatory prowess, our feline companions exhibit an inherent aversion to loud sounds. This includes common noises like the booming rumbles of thunder, the explosive pops of fireworks, or even the high decibels of our favorite music. It might seem puzzling, considering their wild instincts, but why are our feline friends so afraid of these loud sounds? Let's dive in. Cats, unlike humans, have evolved to possess highly sensitive hearing. This extraordinary auditory ability isn't just a random act of nature, but a product of their evolution as hunters. Cats can hear a wider range of frequencies than both humans and dogs. While humans can perceive sounds from about 20 to 20,000 hertz, and dogs from 40 to 60,000 hertz, cats can detect frequencies ranging from 48 to 85,000 hertz. That's like having a superpower in the animal kingdom. This heightened sensitivity to sound is a hunting advantage. It allows cats to hear the high-frequency sounds produced by small rodents, their primary prey in the wild. A tiny squeak, a rustle in the grass, or the flutter of a bird's wing, all can be detected by a cat's fine-tuned ears. But what gives them this incredible hearing prowess? Well, it's all down to the structure of their ears. Cats' ears are designed like a funnel to direct sound waves into the ear canal. They have 32 muscles in each ear that allow them to rotate their ears towards the sound source independently, enhancing their ability to pinpoint the exact location of a sound. However, this superpower comes with a downside. Their sensitivity makes them more susceptible to loud, unexpected noises. A sudden bang or the roar of a lawnmower can be overwhelming for them, causing stress and fear. So, with such sensitive hearing, it's no surprise that loud noises can be overwhelming for our feline friends. When confronted with sudden, loud noises, cats often exhibit a fear response. This response originates from their survival instincts, honed over thousands of years in the wild. But what exactly happens when a cat gets scared? Physiologically, a cat's body prepares for a fight or flight scenario. Their heart rate escalates, pumping more blood to their muscles. Their pupils dilate, allowing more light into their eyes and enhancing their ability to spot potential threats. You might also notice their fur standing on end, a phenomenon known as piloerection, which makes them appear larger and more intimidating to predators. But it's not just physical changes that occur. Cats also exhibit behavioral changes in response to fear. You might find your feline friend hiding under the bed or in other secluded spots, a tactic used in the wild to avoid predators. Some cats might even display aggressive behavior, hissing and swatting, as a way to deter perceived threats. However, it's important to remember that while these reactions are natural, they can be distressing for a domestic cat. Our homes are filled with a multitude of noises, from the hum of a vacuum cleaner to the bang of a slammed door. While these sounds are harmless, to a cat, they can be perceived as a threat, triggering their fear response. This fear response is a survival mechanism, but in our modern world, it can often lead to unnecessary stress for our pets. So, as we move forward, let's explore how we can help our feline companions cope with noise in a more comfortable way. Now that we understand why cats are afraid of loud noises, what can we do to help them feel safe? Well, let's delve into some practical advice that might just make a world of difference for our feline friends. Firstly, aim to provide a safe space for your cat. This can be a quiet, cozy corner of your home, where your cat can retreat to when the noise gets too much. Cats are creatures of habit, and knowing they have a safe haven can go a long way in alleviating their stress. Secondly, consider the use of calming products. These can range from pheromone diffusers, which mimic the natural cat-appeasing pheromones, to calming collars and even certain types of cat-friendly music. Yes, you heard it right, music for cats. These products are designed to promote relaxation and reduce anxiety in cats. Lastly, let's talk about gradual desensitization techniques. This involves exposing your cat to a low level of noise, gradually increasing the volume over time. This method can help your cat become more accustomed to louder sounds without causing fear or stress. Remember, every cat is unique, so what works for one might not work for another. Patience and understanding are key. It's important to monitor your cat's reactions and adjust your approach accordingly. You know your cat best after all. With time, patience, and a bit of trial and error, you can help your cat cope with noise and lead a happier, calmer life. So, that's the science behind why cats are afraid of loud noises. Remember, their hearing is incredibly sensitive, triggering fear responses. But don't worry, there are ways to help your feline friend cope. We hope you found this information helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like it. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the world of pets.